Start. So, hello, we are from Group 4, and today we are going to explain our first project, which is COVID-19 dashboard. And each member has contributed each page, and we will be explaining our pages. I am Saksham Sachdeva, and I will be taking you through our home page. So, the technology which we are using in our dashboard is Power BI, which is a dynamic and powerful software, helps in visualizing and studying data in an easy and abstract way. So, the dataset which we are using for COVID visualization is from Johns Hopkins University. The data was in crude format. We cleaned and arranged it according to our visualization needs. So now comes the homepage of a dashboard in which we are using the attributes of dataset. Used are confirmed cases, confirmed daily cases, recovered cases, deaths, and many more. So the map visualization, which tells about count of confirmed cases, deaths with recovered data also of each particular country and state. So by hovering our cursor on map, we can also see place-wise data with the mortality and recovery rate plus other information also. So drop-down slicers and play cards are also there, which also changes dynamically by providing particular province and country.
Hi, this is Subham here, and I am going to explain the graph 1 of dashboard, that is graphic visualization part 1, using the same John Hopkins University dataset. I had plotted the different visual graph that display a particular region information when we hover a pointer on a particular country. The first leftmost graph is a stacked bar chart which monitors the average daily cases of a different country. The second graph is a line graph that displays the variation of a death case of different countries. The third graph is a bar chart that displays average recovered cases of different regions. And the fourth and the lastmost graph is a clustered column chart that displays the total confirmed, total death, and total recovered cases of different regions with different legends used respectively on the graph.
Hi, this is Priyanshu here. I will be explaining this page, graphical visualization 2. So I have visualized the distribution based on month year, and I have represented them through donut charts. So the first plot talks about confirmed cases, the distribution of confirmed cases based on month year. The second and the third one talks of deaths and recovered respectively. The fourth plot is a representation of the recovery rate and the mortality rate for the 3 months. Thank you.
So welcome to the weather analysis of COVID and its growth. I am Shreyansh Gupta and I will be taking you through the page and its details. Starting with the dataset first, as you can see on the right hand side, there are different datasets used, one in temperature and other one is weather report, which we club together as COVID weather dataset, keeping dates and country as primary key aspects. Now coming on the charts I use for visualization, column chart showing relation between total cases and temperature. Hovering on a point completes the graph with statistics. Second one is line chart between total cases versus humidity. Third is a stack chart between total cases versus wind speed. We have also added slicers to choose a particular data to visualize them separately. That's all from our side. This was all about our first dashboard. In next video, we'll be explaining another dashboard. Thank you.